Hello fellow coders. Today, I will show you how to automate program startups with batch files. This is very useful if you are a full-stack developer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To give you idea of my development environment, I am running Python Flask for backend, Node-RED for testing HTTP request, MySQL for database, and VS Code for programming front-end. Here, I am running the batch file, kick_starter.bat. As you can see, it opened the other batch files which open the programs I previously mentioned. I will repeat the procedure. Here, I will show you the master batch file which calls the other batch files. Nothing fancy here, just common CMD commands. You can search them in Google. This one is specific command for Python Flask. This one is specific command for Node-RED. The rest is for opening the IDS I used, so I will not need to search their shortcuts. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you on the next tutorial.